Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Falmouth, and Falmouth is the capital of Trelawney, which is a parish in Jamaica. So this is Falmouth, Jamaica. Okay, now before we had a northern coastal highway, this is the route you would take when you're driving from Kingston to Montego Bay. You would actually have to go through the town of Falmouth. However, the Northern Coastal Highway allows you to bypass the town of Falmouth, so you only come through the town if you need to. Okay, now Falmouth is a very historic town. On the left, we just passed the new fire station, but Falmouth is a port city or port town, and it is the capital of Trelawney because of its port. Back in the day when Jamaica was a English colony, the ports were very important, and so the capital of each parish was mostly or most times a port city. Now, Falmouth is very popular today because of the Falmouth cruise ship here, and some of the largest cruise ships in the world dock at the Falmouth cruise ship here. And when they dock, the passengers come off and they take tours all around the island. So Falmouth is going through, how would you say, a lot of economic growth. A lot of business places are opening up. Okay, we are now on Market Street, and on the left is a new plaza we're passing called Champion Plaza. And over there you have the Champion supermarket, but you also have a KFC, a Pizza Hut, a lot of food restaurants. That kind of activity is coming to Falmouth because the cruise ship here and the highway are basically putting Falmouth back on the map. Now we're now coming up to two gas stations, one on the left, one on the right, and these were recently built. And that just goes to show you the kind of economic rebirth, you could say, Falmouth is having. Now what happens is, you see all the buses on the right. When the cruise ships come in, okay, before we do that, on the right now we're passing the Falmouth market. We have videos up of the market, actually driving through the market, so you can check those out. We drove through Falmouth earlier and we're driving out back towards the Northern Coastal Highway now. Now on the left is a road that was recently built, and that allows the tour buses to get to the pier easily and quickly without having to drive through the town. So where this car is turning, that's where the buses would go when they're going towards the pier. Now when these cruise ships come in, thousands of passengers come off for the day, and they need to get to the tourist attractions quickly and easily. So that's why that road was built, to access the pier quickly. And then, as you'll see in a few minutes, we get on to the Northern Coastal Highway, which takes you to Ocho Rios, Montego Bay, all across the North Coast where you have most of the tourist attractions. So that's why you have those gas stations, all those things being built in Falmouth, because a lot of activity is taking place. Okay, so this is Market Street heading towards the Northern Coastal Highway. And there are a lot of tourist areas within Falmouth, so if tourists just want to walk up and down within Falmouth. And you also have the cruise ship pier that has a lot of stores and stuff that persons can just go to. Okay, this is the Northern Coastal Highway in front of us now. If we turn left here, we would take the highway towards Ocho Rios. And if we turn right, like what we're going to do here, we head towards Montego Bay. Okay, so we're turning right now. And this highway runs along the entire north coast of Jamaica. It runs from Port Antonio all the way back to Negril. So from Port Antonio, it passes through Ocho Rios, it passes through St. Anne's Bay, Runaway Bay, Discovery Bay, comes down to Falmouth, and then heads on to Montego Bay, and then from Montego Bay it goes towards Negril. Now this highway, but this section we're looking at in particular, the Northern Coastal Highway is being expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So this section of the road we're driving on will be 4 lanes soon. And it's going to be extended from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay. So this section of the road will become 4 lanes soon. The government is spending 120 billion Jamaican dollars to expand this highway. It also includes building a Runaway Bay bypass and a Discovery Bay bypass. The bypass means the road won't go through the actual town of Runaway Bay and Discovery Bay anymore. You'll have a bypass road like this. In the same way, this road, the Northern Coastal Highway, doesn't go directly through Falmouth. It has an exit to Falmouth, but it doesn't run through the actual town. So that's what's going to happen for St. Anne, for Discovery Bay and Runaway Bay. Alright guys, enjoy the drive from Falmouth to Montego Bay on the Northern Coastal Highway. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.